things to the superiors. Direct करना मतलब to show the way is called as directing. So who will show the way? The way will be shown by the manager himself, isn't it? In school and in college, like teachers show you all, they guide you all what to do, what not to do, what are your daily plans, what are your shared schedules, when unit tests will be conducted, when semester will be there, when the results will be announced, what all things you need to study. So all these things are called as what? Directing. In the same way, inside an organization also, the manager directs many things to the employees, to the subordinates. Subordinates means what? Juniors. Directing is the soul of management function. Without directing, it is not possible. Without directing, it is not possible to instruct, to guide, to communicate, and to motivate. That's why directing is called as soul of management function. Whenever we are talking about directing, we should understand that a very important function. If there is no directing inside an organization, then the organization will not perform properly. The employees needs to be directed in a proper way, in a timely manner. That's why directing is an important function of management. So we had finished staffing and now we are continuing with directing. Directing is a continuous function. It is not a one-time function. Initiated at top level. Initiated underline, write down, taken. तो ये जो फंक्शन है डायरेक्टिंग का, दिस हैपेंस फ्रॉम टॉप लेवल कि आगे अभी हमें और क्या काम करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल नाउ लॉकडाउन इज गोइंग टू लिटिल बिट इट हैज slowed down and it is going to open gradually. So all companies are deciding now what to do next. Now everybody was working from home. Now how we are going to instruct them, guide them. That's why it is called as directing is a continuous function initiated at top level and flows to the lower level through organizational hierarchy. From top level to the lower level. Top level means chairman, board of directors, they are called as top level, and lower level of employees means foreman according to your syllabus. Director is a person who shows the correct path as well as guides the employees in solving problems wherever necessary. Employees come up with various problems. Employees are not there to create problem, but yeah, inside an organization there are many problems which an employee faces. To solve that problem is the work of the manager. If if there is a production department, for example, inside the production department there can be problem with the machinery, there can be problem with the electricity, there can be problem with the equipment, with the safety handling of things. So all these things are taken care by the manager. That is why what it is called, managers help to solve the problem whenever necessary. Employees means the people who are working inside an organization is called as employees. A few philosophers also called as life spark of an enterprise. Without directing, there won't be any proper communication. That's why what it is called as, it is called as life spark of an enterprise. One definition, just by heart and keep, any one easy definition by Heinemann. Directing consists of the process and techniques utilizing in issuing instruction and making certain that operations are called out